Right on, right on. Hey, this is Doug for the Full Earth Workshop. Today we do a little unboxing, show you something kind of cool that I got from down under. This little box is from the land of the koala, and the only thing missing are the eucalyptus leaves. If you love to collect and restore vintage slot cars like I do, this is pretty interesting. I found them online. The parts box uses original parts from COX slot cars and others back in the 1960s, and they make resin reproductions of them. And we're going to see just how good these parts are today. I was able to pick up this rather sad little chassis online. It used to be from a Cheetah. You can tell because the wheels and the little acorns match. And we're going to bring it back to its former glory. As you can see, the parts box has done a really nice job with their boxes. They actually put these photographs on 5 of the 6 sides, which is pretty impressive. And look at the presentation. Nice job. Most of the parts box presentation is on their website, and I was very impressed by the amount of vintage parts, but also the ability to make parts for bodies for cars that haven't been seen in 40, 50, 60 years. And as we take a look at the first parts here, these are of the little back tire section that is on the rear windshield. There's an original driver. Look at all the parts, they're all there, and they also look very well made. If you've ever done any casting, you realize it's a real trick, and these are good proof of it. These are clear parts, and I did ask them if they would be willing to sell these without the kit, and they said no, because clear parts are very, very tricky to make in a good way, but I can tell that they must be using a vacuum chamber as they do their casting to pull all the bubbles out, because these parts are among the best resin parts I've ever seen. I think it is so close to the original ABS parts that came in the COX kits that you would not be able to tell the difference. This looks like a little paper guide that guides you through building the kit. Let's see. Yeah, it shows you basically what the difference is between ABS parts, also known as styrene, and resin. It says basically here you shouldn't use styrene glue, you should use cyanoacrylate or superglue. The price at time of purchase was $59.95, which are Australian dollars. And if you're in the USA, it's actually less. It comes out more like $50. And I've got to say that after looking over these parts, I don't think they're charging enough. Either that or they're very, very good and quick at making resin parts, because I've made resin and it can be real tricky to get parts this beautiful. Well, here we see another really good feature. I was a little concerned that when you make resin parts, there is a shrinkage rate to that material, and I don't see here that it makes any difference whatsoever. It looks dimensionally really good, like the original, and overall, I am very, very impressed. Great job, Parts Box. I think you guys deserve my absolute top rating. 2 enthusiastic thumbs up. Well, I hope you've enjoyed kicking back your feet and hanging out with me. Make sure you subscribe and put a little thumbs up. We'll see you next time.